So you're looking to make money online? Let me show you how you can do it in this step-by-step guide. So keep it locked. All right, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the link in the description below in the video. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Then you want to click sign up. And you're going to create your name, whatever your name is, or not create your name, but you want to put in your name. I'm just going to call this test tutorial. That's going to be my name. My email address is going to be test at, let me just say, echurchdigital.com. And let's go ahead and put any password. I'll just put any password there. We're going to choose your username, which will be test. Create, oh, the test is already in use. Let's say test tutorial. All right, and let's go ahead and click create account, get started. All right, so once you create your account, you're going to get a page that looks like this. You'll be offered limited time 50% off when you upgrade your membership today, which is a great deal. You're going to get a welcome video from one of the co-founders. His name is Kyle. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get started. So you want to set up your WA profile. You can upload an image. All right, put your image there. Once you do that, you want to add your bio and you can set goals. Okay, so you can go ahead and do all that. Next thing I want to encourage you to do, here's where it gets fun. You see where it says hubs? You want to click right there. You want to click where it says create new hub. Now, whatever your niche is, okay, you want to build a business that you love. And when you choose your niche, you want it to be something that you enjoy doing. So let's just say you're a barber. Okay, so we're going to put here barber. Say you want to be a barber. It could be whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to click search. It's going to give us different ideas. So great, now choose an opportunity. That's what it's going to tell you. So you could do barber, men's hair care products, barber tools and equipment, beard care and grooming, barber education training, barber shop business consulting, however you want to do it. But you probably might want to go with the one that has the best opportunity. This is 75 out of 100. This is 90 out of 100, 92 out of 100, 95 out of 100. So that looks like the best opportunity, and that's beard care and grooming. So let's go ahead and choose that. Then we're going to say finish and build my hub. Okay, now this is all free. Everything I'm doing right now, you could do the same thing I'm doing with the free account. Now there is paid accounts, but hey, you can get started with the free one and you could test it out. All right, then you got the core training and you got traffic training. So these are all free trainings. This one here is not included. This is you have to upgrade to get access to this. This one's locked. Okay. But if you go back over here to the core trainings, that is available to you. And you get 5 of them. You get the welcome, intro to hubs, set your business goals, how to make money, publish your first niche post, and choosing your brand. Now, what you want to do also is once you already got your hub up and running. So you can scroll down here and you got your website and brand. Okay. So you've already basically created a website. If you go here and you click view my website, so this is your website right here. Okay, so now you could get started. Now here's the cool thing. If you click view hub and training, it's going to give you ideas on what you can post about. It's going to give you ideas. Here's topics that you can post about: how to start growing a beard, essential beard grooming tools you need. And you can use AI tools to generate your blog, however you want to do it, or to help you, get the context of your blog, and you can take it from there. That's powerful. Another thing is you have affiliate programs that you can join. Okay. Now you can't do this in the free one, but if you upgrade, you could actually join these affiliate programs. But you already have a website. And the cool thing about it, you can start writing content on these ideas right here. Okay, so you can go ahead and get started. And that's how you get started with Wealthy Affiliate. If you have any questions, look at that. You got blog topic and ideas. There's more blog ideas right here. Look at all these ideas. See that? You got unique content ideas. You can click that. Best of top 10 ideas. You can click that. And that's all included in your free program. So this can get you your free membership. So this can get you started. Look at all these topics. Look at all these topics right here. See, all these topics. So if you have any questions, post them in the comment section. This is how you can get started making money online with Wealthy Affiliate. And who in these days can't use a little bit of extra cash? If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. God bless.